ServSafe CH3 for exam questions. Marine algae. Sigatoxin is found in certain. Finger caught. Protective covering used to cover a properly bandaged cut or wound on the finger. Reputable supplier, who practices strict time-temperature control. To prevent scromboid poisoning from eating mackerel, purchase the fish from A. After handling raw meats and before handling cooked or ready-to-eat food. Single-use gloves should be changed. Carrier. People who carry pathogens and infect theirs, yet never be ill themselves. Food protein. A food allergy is the body's negative reaction to a particular plants, seafood, and mushrooms. Toxins and underscore 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 and underscore 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 are responsible for many cases of foodborne illness in the U.S. each year. Vigorously scrub hands and forearms for at least 20 seconds. Third step to proper handwashing. Personal hygiene. Sanitary health habits that include keeping the body clean, wearing clean clothes, and properly washing hands. Biological contaminant. Microbial contaminant that may cause a foodborne illness. Things found in nature, bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, jewelry. Items that harbor microorganisms and may pose a safety hazard around equipment. 7 million. Nearly underscore 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 Americans have food allergies. Rhubarb. Underscore 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 leaves are an example of a plant toxin. Food grade. Only underscore 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 utensils and equipment should be used to prepare and store food. Physical. Metal shavings found in food are what type of contaminants? Histamine poisoning. Scromboid poisoning is also known as sigatoxin. Cannot be detected by smell or taste. Pufferfish. Due to the extreme risk posed by underscore 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 underscore, it should not be served unless the chef has been licensed to prepare it. Apron. Item that should be removed when leaving food preparation areas. Chemical contaminant. Chemical substance that can cause a foodborne illness. Pesticides, certain materials combined with certain foods. Lead wine with decanter. Sigwattera. Underscore 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 toxins from grouper is an example of a biological contaminant. Scromboid poisoning. What can be found in bluefish, mackerel, and swordfish? Nose picking. Personal behavior that can contaminate food. Scromboid poisoning. Tuna, bonito, mackerel, and mahi-mahi are 4 types of fish commonly associated with predatory reef. Sigatoxin is commonly associated with underscore 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 fish from the Pacific Ocean, Western Indian Ocean, and the Caribbean Sea. Scromboid poisoning and sigwattera fish poisoning. The two types of fish toxin illnesses are jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes that could indicate a person with hepatitis A, single-use gloves, disposable gloves designed for a one-time use, fava beans and red kidney beans. Two examples of plants that are toxic when raw, but safe to eat when properly cooked. Wet hands if warm water. First step in proper hand washing. Clean under fingernails and B/T fingers. Fourth step in proper hand washing. Sigwater poisoning. Barracuda, grouper, jacks, and snapper are four fish commonly associated with pest control operator. What is PCO? Chemical. Toxic metals, pesticides, cleaning products, sanitizers, and lubricants are what type of contaminants? Disposable gloves. An employee should wear to cover a bandaged cut on the hand. Rinse thoroughly under running water. Fifth step in proper hand washing. Physical. Bones and fillets pose a hazard. Gastrointestinal illness. Illness relating to the stomach or intestine. AIDS. Disease not transmitted through food. Toxic metals. Lead in a pewter pitcher, copper in a saucepan, and zinc in a galvanized bucket are three examples of utensils and equipment that contain. Apply soap. Second step in proper hand washing. Wild amateur. Foodborne illnesses associated with mushroom are almost always caused by the consumption of toxic mushrooms collected by mushroom hunters. Dry hands and arms with single-use paper towel. Sixth and final step to proper hand washing. 41. At delivery, the temp of fish should be received at how many degrees F? Infected lesion. Wound contaminated with a pathogen. Hair restraint. Device used to keep food handlers' hair away from food and to keep them from touching it. Physical contaminant. Foreign object that accidentally gets into the food. Scromboid poisoning. Cannot be destroyed by freezing, cooking, smoking, or curing. Hand sanitizer. Liquid or gel used to lower the hashtag of microorganisms on the skin surface.